Good day, guys. One way to determine how sharp our knife is through this cowhide. So you will learn how sharp this is if this knife will cut through easily. Start. As you can see, cutting is very easy when your knife is this sharp. Imagine this knife can cut through this hide. How much more if this knife cut through the meat? You just make sure that when you cut meat, you have a distance between the knife and your fingers so that your fingers will not be cut. Cowhide is like running through a piece of paper. Your knife is this sharp. Padolate.
Si Francie may makuha mas curly mo ano. Balik ka na kay
For more updates of my video, please like and subscribe and stay connected. Thank you.